ESG, environmental, social, governance standards. In last 25 years, a lot of talk has been going on ESG. After in 2000, United Nations started a standard to be followed by all manufacturing companies or all industry. When I read all these act standards, I feel it is like making a rule for good children. Like in school book, you must be clean, you must be study properly, must keep your record properly. Similarly, all the companies are being asked to maintain certain standards across the globe. It has been observed that in third world countries and small countries, the compliances with the waste management or discharge is not at the same standard as it is in US or OECD. When I study this subject, I feel that people are not still understanding the impact. Any 1 degree increase in average temperature will increase the 7% rain. This 7% rain will cause a havoc. What we are seeing in Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana and Delhi. At the same time, we have a issue of heat waves in several countries in the world. So, what can be done? Instead of talking about those standards which is printed in the books in thousands of pages, let me try to suggest some simple things. Number one, control the. Before we discuss the major, first understand what is the disease. From 1950 to 2020, world population has exploded from 2 billion to 8 billion. And discovery of crude oil and generation of various type of chemicals thereunder has created a supply of humongous products and services which has no system of recycling. Second biggest problem is fashion industries. Fashion industry has generated so many clothes and shoes, fashion accessories which are used for some time and then they go to the landfill. Best ESG friendly cloth is worn by Gaur Gopal Das ji. But it is not possible for everybody to follow his dress code. And when I see in Bombay people wearing 4-piece suit and they stitch every year 2 suits, 3 suits, which is not required in Bombay weather. So we wear the clothes as per fashion, which are ultimately polymers. Again, these clothes go to the landfill. Anyway, I can't control this because richest people in the world are from fashion industry. Number two is the water bottles. 20 years back, somebody came with the brilliant idea and created a hype. Drinking water, safe drinking water, can be given in bottle only. And today, trillions of bottles are generated every year and will go into landfill. And there is no scope of recycling them. Now, let me talk about the steps which you can take easily. Number one, water and sewage management in every city, town should be at the optimum level. Take the help of IITs and other engineering students to design a good cleaning drinking water supply and solid waste management. There is science to it, but there is a big corruption in it also. In India, our recent Delhi Chief Minister himself has accepted the drainage was not clean, or it was clean up to only 60%. Now when they say 60%, it discount by another 10 to 20%. And this cleaning has been done not this year, every year. And if actual study is done, for hundreds of years, those cleaning system has not been properly done or has been redeveloped according to the size of the city. So by just managing this thing, we can take care of our water pollution problem. I'm not saying that it will totally disappear, but a step which is within our reach. Second is noise pollution. In noise pollution, we should insist for all the machines to have proper casing. So when these machines are run, there is a minimum of sound. On my own experience, I can tell you there are DG sets and all other machines. If proper casing is fit in, there will be noise pollution can be reduced to a great extent. Air. If all the fumes and smoke which is discharged can be treated and discharged or can be reduced, but people have a tendency to increase the profit. They cut down on these expenses at the cost of their own life. What you will do with all this money what you have if you die tomorrow? So please have a threshold. After that, whatever you earn, you spend some part of that on improvement of waste management in your company or discharge. Looking after your own staff or society around you. If there will be no people, there will be no customer. If there is no customer, you are going to die. So this is a circle. We have to take care of that also. Governance is very simple. Complying with the law. We have seen in last 30-40 years, several companies went down because they got into trouble with the legal authorities. Because of various reasons. Let's not get into that. My request is just take ESG guideline seriously and you can definitely improve yourself and the society. Thank you.